Please remove the propellers before updating the firmware. Make sure the battery levels of both the aircraft and the remote controller are over 25%, and that there's adequate space on your micro SD card. First, we will go over how to update your firmware using a mobile device. Open the Autel Explorer app. If it prompts for new firmware, then you can download and upload the firmware. You can check the upgrade process on the remote controller. Please do not power off the aircraft or remote controller during the upgrade. Alternatively, you can upgrade your firmware by using a micro SD card. To do this, download the firmware upgrade package from Autel Robotics' official website. Store the firmware in the root directory of your SD card. Unfold the front arms and rear arms. Open the aircraft SD card slot. Insert the SD card. Power on the aircraft and remote controller. The upgrade process will start automatically. During the update process, don't turn off the aircraft or the remote controller. The remote controller will prompt when the upgrade is successful. After the upgrade, please restart the aircraft and the remote controller. Thank you for watching.